In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use XLOOKUP with sum formula in Microsoft Excel. We're going to walk through a simple and practical example that shows how to combine XLOOKUP with the sum function to return and add values from the same row. This is especially useful when you want to look up one record, such as an employee ID, and calculate a total based on two separate columns. To begin, create a sample table in Excel. In this example, the table includes employee data with one column for employee ID, another for basic salary, and another for bonus. You'll also need a separate input cell where you can type the employee ID you want to search for. Then set aside a result cell where the total pay will be calculated. Having this layout ready makes the formula much easier to understand and reuse. Next, click cell F2 and enter this formula exactly as shown. Equals sum, open parenthesis, XLOOKUP. Open parenthesis, F1, A2 through A5, B2 through B5. Close parenthesis, XLOOKUP. Open parenthesis, F1, A2 through A5, C2 through C5, close parenthesis, then close the sum parenthesis. This formula uses two XLOOKUP functions inside one sum function. The first, XLOOKUP, checks the value in cell F1, searches for it in the employee ID range A2 to A5, and returns the matching basic salary from cells B2 to B5. The second XLOOKUP uses that same employee ID lookup, but this time it returns the bonus from cells C2 to C5. Then the sum function adds those two returned values together. After typing the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the result based on the employee ID entered in cell F1. For example, if the employee ID in F1 is E002, the formula returns a basic salary of $30,000 and a bonus of $2,500. When those are added together, the total pay becomes $32,500. This is a great example of why XLOOKUP is so powerful. Instead of manually finding values or writing separate calculations in different places, you can pull multiple related values directly from a table and combine them in one clean formula. This approach is useful for many situations beyond payroll. You can use it to calculate totals like salary plus bonus, price plus tax, or base pay plus allowance. Once you understand the pattern, you can adapt it to many kinds of spreadsheets and reports.